なにわ男子駿佑&長尾 laughing in a strong mind with a huge fan also invented a new fun. You're watching it live today. At the end of this video, we will share some video clips. A new web commercial featuring a popular Nani wa Daneshi, human of the don't lie, this would be cooling, will be released from the 23rd. Countermeasures against the heat that is gaining momentum. We will introduce the official secret trick, Sea Breeze super refreshing question, that can be used by two people using a Hambe fan to make it more super refreshing. After Nagao put on Sea Breeze, that will be commercially expressed Sea Breeze X Wine, super refreshing equation by applying more wine, the super exhilarating. The expressions of the two are also highlighted. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube and Facebook.